Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in the UK, so all the products you see demonstrated in this video are available to purchase direct from me. Shall we get started? So today's card is a super busy, very busy card, but also very simple to do. It's showcasing the Free as a Bird stamp set, which you see here, and all we are using is the Thanks for Being You stamp. The rest comes from the coordinating designer series paper, which I have cut all these little shapes out, so all the flowers and the bird you see here are all cut out from that designer series paper. So that's something what might seem a lot of hard work, however it is worth it, and you can sit there in front of the TV and do that quite easily. So to start with, I'm bringing in a standard C6 size card, and that's in Whisper White thick cardstock, and again it's just a top folding card like so. So I've got a piece of crumb cake that is cut out of the nesting layering dies that are available, and it has this wonderful dotted effect that you see there. So that's going to be our main focal piece on the card, and everything else is going to slot around that once it's done. So I'm going to stick this down with some dimensionals. Now with this I'm only going to place one at the top, one at the bottom, and one in the middle. The reason for this is purely because we're going to be sticking a lot around. We don't want our design to be affected because we have something in the way. So putting that on our card straight, like so. And I've just left a smaller space at the top than at the bottom, but it is only by ½ centimetre, let's say. So in the designer series pack, you do get so many wonderful different colours. So today I'm going to be using the reddish toned bird with the yellow flowers, which I've already gone and cut out already, because no one wants to sit here and watch me cut a load of pieces of paper out. So I have left a teeny tiny border rim that you see there. There you go. So it is super small, and the reason for leaving it is because I know full well the cards are going to stand out, the flowers are going to stand off a little bit more, as well as the fact that we're using white cardstock, so it doesn't really matter so much. Okay, so that's all there ready to go. We do need to sort out our sentiment, so I've got a strip of basic black cardstock, and that just measures 1 centimetre. And I'm just going to heat emboss the sentiment in white embossing powder. So I've just run over my embossing buddy, bringing in my Versamark ink, and I'm just going to stamp this down, hopefully straight. Yep, that's fine. So I can put my ink pad away. I'll just quickly grab my embossing powder and sprinkle that over. So I was a little bit heavy-handed, as you can see towards the bottom, so it looks a bit bulgy. But you can take your time just to make sure it's perfect yourself. And I'm just going to heat set that now. Well, it's that super quick and easy to do. Right. So let's put this onto our card. So I'm going to grab some mini dimensionals, and where my sentiment is, that's where I'm going to put the dimensionals, just because I'm not going to cut this down until it's attached to my card. So placing it there, and then bringing in my paper snips, I'm just going to leave a little bit over the side and cut at an angle both sides, like so. Now this is where you get to play and have a little fun. So starting with the bird, because that's the main focal piece, I'm just going to sit him in the centre. You know what, I'm going to chop his feet off because they're in the way a little bit. To the side, like so. Okay, so then I'm going to use all these little flowers just to sit around like so. This is where you can just mess around, play about as much as possible. So I'm quite limited there, and getting that underneath, like so. That works. And let's take a mini dimensional for this one. Pop that behind and under, like so. So not all of these flowers are identical. So you have some with a more fuller colourant and some with a more softer to white colourant that you see. So it is super cute and super easy. So let's grab this one and pop this behind our bird. Shall we name the bird? What do you think we should call him or her? Leave a comment in the description. Leave a comment below on what you think we should call our birdies. Because let's face it, they deserve a name, don't they? Filling in the areas like so, and then the rest of these are just going to be behind like so. So I'm going to cut one of these in half, and I'm just going to use some Tombow or liquid glue, and I'm only going to put a little bit behind. Let's start here. Okay, I want some more there. Just see how this card quickly starts coming together. Like so. So the benefit of using the Tombow is that you can quite easily move bits and pieces around if you're not happy with it. So put this one here, put this bit down here. And then just continue to build it up until you think enough's enough. probably sit in there. Let's pop this one up on a dimensional. But let's put it down onto the white like so. So I have also cut out these little leaves and whatnot, this little one here, which were on the edge of the 12x12 designer series paper. And the reason why I did it is these are just perfect for a little filler for whatever you feel needs more leaves, maybe. So there. This bit in there like so. Pop this one just in there. Like that. And we've still got one left over which we can use for another project later on. And there you have today's project. I hope you enjoyed it. While you're here, why not pop into the description bar below where a full list of the items are available and links to my online shop as to where you can purchase them for yourself. While you're down there, like, comment and subscribe, and why not share to your social media so everybody can see how super quick and easy it is to make such a brilliant card. I will see you around. Bye everyone.